I just put 1,000 grams on the scale, I think I broke it. In my room cracking seals, tryna bust this bitch open. She want me to fall in love, but I don't really think she know. And the nigga said he gangsta, he gon' really have to show. If I hit this shit again, they gon'
What's poppin', GE? Gangsta boy Fushnooker, man, back with another video, back with a banger. First off, I want to say shout out to you guys for showing major love on the last video, you feel me? You guys got me 3K views in one day. That has never happened. I've got 900 to 1,500 views in a day, but never 3K. Even though I got videos on my channel that has 150,000 views, 80,000 views, 50,000 views. That's over time, maybe like a 2 to 3 month time. But 3K in one day, especially the way the car community is right now, like everybody's taking a hit, you feel me? So shout out to you guys. The 300 community is strong in a motherfucker, boy. So shout out to you guys. Make sure if you're new, subscribe to the channel like right now. Hit that like button, share the video. Make sure you go to the post notification bell and hit all of them motherfucker. The subscription, what they say, it don't count if you don't do that. You gotta go hand in hand, hit the subscription, then go hit that post notification bell for your guy, you feel me? Now check this out, man. Check this out. Yesterday, I was watching Rail to Rail, got his new Corvette C8, and I was watching the video. I just happened to be watching the video, and I saw in his rear view mirror in his car, he had video, and it was showing the whole, like, all the cars, like, behind him, like, in a live, clear, crisp view, not just, like, looking in the mirror looking. It made it look 3D-ish. I said, I have to have it. So what did I do? I went on Amazon, I found that motherfucker, and I bought it. So it's not a C8 part per se, but I saw it in a C8 Corvette, so I had to get it. That's why I'm saying, you know, a C8 part, you feel me? So yeah, I know what you're gonna say, but yeah, that's why I'm saying that. But let me go ahead and show you guys this, man. Check this out, man. It's a streaming media mirror dash cam, right? So it comes with the front facing, or the mirror, the goddamn camera that faces out. It comes already on here for the front one. On the rear one, it gives you a separate 1080p camera to hook up to the back. Now, what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to see what I can do, is because the quality on the Tesla screen is not as good as it was on the Uconnect, right? Which I don't really care, but the clarity on this camera, on this dash, this dash cam, this mirror dash cam, is hella fucking clear. It's hella clear. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if these RCA wires will work. The Tesla wires will work for this, so I can just hook it up to here. That way, when I hit reverse, it just comes on here instead of here. I don't even care if it don't come in here. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna try to tap into that. If not, then we'll go ahead and hook up the rear view camera that they gave us for it, and we'll just have 2 goddamn backup cameras. You know what I'm saying? 2 is better than 1 is what they say. You feel me? So yeah, make sure you subscribe to your boy channel, man. Shout out to you guys for showing major love on that, man. If you guys, my leaders, where I got this in the description box if you guys want it. This shit just, this is what I love about having like cars. You can always update your car and make it newer. That's why I put the Tesla screen in. Like, that's why I'm putting this shit in. Like, you can always update these cars. You know what I mean? Nothing has changed from these 2012 to 2022. Nothing has changed. Like, the body's the same. The only thing that's changed is the front grille and, you know, the bumper type a little bit as far as like the SRT bumper, and the rear lights. That's the only thing that's fucking really changed. Besides, we're not talking about inside, we're talking about just outside of the car. Nobody is just everybody looking on the outside. What? Hold up. We just went completely dark. Hold up. All right, guys. So if you guys saw me sweating, man, I just got hooping like for 20 minutes with my son to give him that time before I started this video, but I had to do it, bro. I couldn't put it off. The motherfucker, I ordered it. It came 2 days later. I need to be driving with this in my car tomorrow morning. That's how impatient I am. I'm not waiting to put this motherfucker in on the weekend. It's going in today. Now, we might not be able to hook the whole thing up, but we're going to get at least the front facing done. And if we have to, if I can't tap in, then we'll go ahead and do the rear camera on the weekend or some shit like that. But this motherfucker going in today. I'm not going to sleep without this shit in. I won't be able to sleep all night, you feel me? So we're going to wake up and ride into a new dash. I didn't even care the fact that it was a dash cam because I got this one. I already got a dash cam, but fuck it, man. This is something I couldn't pass up. So as you guys can see, it's getting dark. You see this? This is 45% windshield tilt on the car. As you can see, it's a little bit lighter when I go here. No window, no tint, to window with tint, you feel me? So let me go ahead and get started, man. It's already dark, man. We're going to end up finishing this video another time. I already know it, but we're going to get started. I'm going to tap in with you guys when I got the motherfucker at least on there and we got some kind of movement. So give me a second. All right, guys. This is the next, bro. I'm tired as fuck. It's the next morning. I gotta go to work. I'm tired as F, man. I obviously didn't get it finished yesterday because I am going to have to use the camera they provided. So I'm gonna have to run that wire all the way from the front, all the way to the rear of the car, and then do that. So I just want to give you guys a little update, and I guess show you what is working right now, I guess. Alright, as you can see right there, and my other one goddamn fell. Like, what? This one goes right there. I don't know why it fell. What the hell is this? Anyway, this is the front wheel. I didn't buy it for it to see the front view. I bought it to see the rear. So we gotta get that rear camera hooked up, but this is what it's looking like, man. Clear as fuck. It's already recording right now. But we're going to get back to it this weekend, man, and I'm gonna catch up with you guys right now. I can't be late to work, man. So I'm gonna catch you guys this weekend. We're gonna finish this motherfucking install. Yeah. Alright, G gang, I'm off work, man. It's 7:46. 13-hour day today. I'm gonna try to go home and put this rear view camera in because that's really what I bought it for. You feel me? So I can see the back of my car, not the front. But I just want to show you guys how crispy clear this shit is. Look how crispy clear that is. It's ridiculous. That shit is hard. I gotta get that rear view camera hooked up, man. So I'm gonna see if I go home, and why you don't complain that I've been at work for 13 hours and I'm out here working on my goddamn car. You know how that shit goes. So I'm gonna try to sneak and do it. But I don't know how that's gonna work out for me. But we're gonna see, man. I'm gonna try to get it done. If not, we have to push it shit to another day, man. But I will show you guys the final install. I want to show you guys some of it because I have to run this wire all the way from the front of the car to the back, hook up the positive wire, mount the goddamn camera and all that type of shit. So I don't know, we're gonna see how we get it done. I'm in a rush because I really want it done. Sometimes my videos go like that, man. I'm so impatient. I just want my shit in there, you feel me? So it's not a how-to video, but I want to show you guys a little something. But I don't know if that's gonna work and how much we're gonna get. So let me get home though, and at least try to start before she catch me and call me in the house to do some shit. You feel me? So let me get at you guys. We get to the crib. Yeah. All right, gang. Y'all can see it's like almost 10 o'clock at night, and I'm out here fucking with this car. So I took this panel off. Let me see if I can get the light. There's the camera right there. I mounted the camera. I ran the wire. Shit. I ran the wire. Fuck, you can't see shit in here. I'm going to show you guys this in the daytime. Anyway, I ran the wire all the way from here along the driver's door all the way to the back. All the way to the back of here. I'm putting the headlight back on now because I just tapped into the reverse light. So when I put the car in reverse, I got backup camera. So now I got two goddamn backup cameras. The one on the mirror though, on the rearview mirror, is way more clear than the Tesla screen. So I got two of them. I'm just gonna use that one. So I'm gonna show you guys that probably this weekend when I finish out this video. But I gotta put this car back together. Look at all these wires. I got my goddamn. I had to test the reverse wire to see which one had the power. You feel me? So let me go ahead and unhook. Let me go ahead and unhook that. Get this up out of there. You feel me? Yeah. So let me go ahead and put this car back together, man. Then we're gonna finish out this video probably this weekend. To be honest with you, once I learn a couple more things about it, I got too much shit at 10 o'clock at night to be trying to put back together. So I'm gonna holler at you guys when it's time to finish this video and show you guys and reveal you guys the goddamn camera. Yes, sir. All right, G gang, check this out, man. I'm gonna end this video, but first I want to say I'm tired of seeing myself on camera in my work clothes, you feel me? Like, I just want to be in the video and show you guys my clothing and wear some regular goddamn clothes, you feel me? But the grind don't stop. This is where I'm at. This is how I make my money. This is how I take care of my family. This is how I survive, you feel me? So I got to be here. So I'm go ahead and knock this video out, the rest of the video out at work, which is what I'm doing right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to take I'm going to give you guys an overview of what I did and shit like that. Everything's done. Everything's buttoned up and tightly done, you feel me? But first, make sure you subscribe to the channel like right now if you're not subscribed, and then go hit that post notification bell and hit all on that motherfucker. Go follow me on Instagram at Fushnicka_. That's FUUSHNICKA_. Go follow your boy. I get all the goddamn DMs. There you can ask me your questions there. I answer my DMs all the time, you feel me? But I will say with this backup mirror, not backup mirror, but this dash mirror, rearview mirror, is the best video I got in my car. The clarity is so clear, bro. Like, I think it's 2.5K. It's clearer than my Tesla screen. It's clearer than my other dash cam. It's like I'm in love with this motherfucker, you feel me? Like, so I'm gonna use it to see the cars in back of me, you know what I mean? The thing is, the wide lens is so wide, you can actually see the cars coming up from behind, so you don't have to look and see if a car on the side of you. You automatically gonna know if it's a car on the side. Like, I'm in love with this goddamn screen. If you want to know where I got the screen, I will link it down in the description below, you feel me? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys for the ride, and I'm gonna show you guys this clarity. This clarity you guys gonna be in love with, I'm telling you. It's the clearest shit I got in my car. Like, I can't stop looking at the motherfucker, you feel me? But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It wasn't a how-to, we're just showing you what else I added to my car. Little shit like this. I'm a tech motherfucker. I love techie shit. And this is one of them things I saw in Rail to Rail's video when he picked up his C8. I saw him driving back, and I saw a video when the goddamn the rearview mirror. I'm like, what the fuck? Automatically got on Amazon. I found the best one. I feel like I found the best one, and now I have it in my car, and it's another upgrade for me. You know what I'm saying? Make my car that much more newer on the inside. And at nighttime, it's like you got the Tesla screen, you got the rearview mirror video, you got the dash cam. You know what I'm saying? You got underglow lights. This shit is magnificent. You feel me? We're almost at 5K. We're 200 away from 5K, man. That's gonna be a big milestone, man, because I just been grinding 24/7. You feel me? So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe like right now. Go tell a friend to tell a friend. Share the video on Facebook. Share the video on TikTok. I don't care where you share, man. Let's hit that 5K within the next couple of weeks. That'll help you out a lot. Make sure you head over to grindeverydayLivingapparel.com. Pick you up a hat, a beanie. You know what I'm saying? A sweatsuit. I know it's the summer. I'm working on some new shit right now. You guys are really gonna like it. I'm coming out with a lot more colors, you feel me? So stay tuned for that. Like I said, follow me on Instagram, and follow Instagram Grind Everyday Living Apparel on Instagram as well, man. So you can and hit post notification bell on that one, so you can know when the new drops are coming, you feel me? It's not merch. This is a real clothing line, you feel me? Everything is made to order. Everything is stitched on the go. This is not no sweater that you can go buy and then slap some logos on there. That's not what this shit is. So all right, man, we're gonna take this drive before it gets any damn darker, bro. I started work at 6 o'clock this morning. It is now 8:30. You do the math. I'm always here. That's how I make the big bucks, you feel me? So let's take the drive, man. I'm gonna show you guys this video, and then we're gonna end this goddamn video. So, boy, Fushnicka, give me a second. Yeah. All right, guys, let me show you guys the clarity on this thing. I know you can see this. I want a car to get behind me, so you can actually see how tight it looks. You can literally read people's license plate like hella, you know what I'm saying? Look how clear that is, bro. Look at that. And then if I swipe to the right, then I have the front facing, right? That's front facing. And it lets you know by this little thing right here. It lights up green, so if I swipe, you see how it's in the front? If I swipe it to the right, that's the rear, then it shows the rear on the car. You feel me? But I'm gonna show you guys something else I did. Not only do I have front facing and rear facing between swiping like a goddamn iPhone, I also hooked up the reverse camera, so when I put it in reverse, you guys see the lines, it's in reverse. Tell me how tight that shit is. So I got the reverse camera here. I got the hella clear reverse camera here. And you still got the rear view. You feel me? I had to have this. This is like one of the best purchases, man. See that car? But I'm gonna try to get on the freeway, man. And I'm gonna try to get some cars behind me because you guys got to see this type of shit, man. All right, y'all, look at this. This is the rear view. This is what I look at. Now I got a live feed of my rear view instead of just a mirror. Look how clear that shit is, bro. Like, what? Come on, man. Y'all gotta drop a fire emojis in the goddamn thumbs up and the goddamn prayer hands in the goddamn comment section for this one, bro. Well, I'm glad I saw that real to real video, bro, because this shit I had to have. I went and bought it immediately. You see how that car is showing up right there? See how wide the view is? The view is wide. You cannot creep up me, man. Listen, if you out at the store at nighttime, somebody trying to creep up on you, man, you can see the motherfuckers now, man. Can't nobody creep up on you with this goddamn this video recording on this rear view now. You got a wide angle lens. They will get caught. You're gonna get blasted ASAP. You feel me? Woo, doggy. You know what I'm saying? Nigga activated, bruh. What they say? Oh, doggy. Look at that there, boy. That gleam there, boy. Shoot. Look at them sunsets in this goddamn thing. Come on, man. I'm gonna show you guys like a really close, man, because I'm trying to get somebody's license plate. Hold on 1 second, man. Let me see if I can get somebody's license plate. All right, y'all, I had to stop and get some gas real quick before I try to get a car behind it so I can show you how the license plate come in clear. But check this out, man. This is what I'm talking about. See that wide angle? See that wide angle? Now, if you at the gas station just minding your business, man, you will see somebody that's trying to creep up from behind you, bro. Like, and the shit is clear. Like, it's getting dark outside. This night vision is bro, this motherfucker's really clear. Like, you can't go wrong with this. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at that angle on there. And look how clear it is and bright. And this, what time is it? It's 9 o'clock at night right now. It's 9 p.m. Shoot, I had to show you guys that. Never lacking, never slacking.
Freaking tag me, bro.
What's you on there now? What you want to say?
You have to tag me in the comments.
Tag you in the comments? I don't know. What's your name? What am I tagging? It's a million CJs that be in the comments, bro. What I'm doing? What I'm doing? Lil CJ?
Yeah.
Lil CJ?
Yep.
All right. When this video come out, I'm gonna put @Lil CJ.
I bet.
And then we can do it that way.
This dude too.
What's his name?
Bro, don't. Shut up.
Look at him. He don't want to be tagged.
Yes, he do. He asked me. What's your name? Where's the thing at?
What's the name?
I'll follow you.
Tell him your name.
I don't want to get tagged.
See? He don't know. He don't want to get tagged. He don't want to get tagged, bro.
No.
Can I get your car wash?
No, his TikTok name is she loves Javon.
What?
She loves Javon?
No.
She loves Givenchy?
No.
Okay, that's what's up.
There's so many bugs.
I know it's bugs, man. But I gotta go find my car.
TikTok too. My TikTok name is CJIZL5.
CJ what?
CJIZL5.
Okay, I hope y'all got that, man. Go follow. Do you post on there all the time?
Yeah.
Okay, bet.